Hi programmers. In this video, the last minute professor will explain the basics of linear search and code it in Python from scratch. Wish you a time of happy learning. Linear search searches the existence of a particular value among the group of values. If the element is found, it returns the index. Else, it says that the element is not found. The order of searching goes in the sequential order of index. The element at the 0th index is checked first, then the element at the first index is checked, and so on. If the search element is found, it prints the index and stops the searching process. Else, the search is continued till the element at n-1th index. In case no match is found, it prints that the element is not found. Consider an example where user gives 5 random inputs like this: 7, 45, 33, 15, and 27. Let us search for 15 in this example. Linear search first searches the element at index 0. It is 7, which is not our search element. Then it searches the element at index 1. 45 is not our search element. Then it searches the element at index 2. 33 is not our search element. Then it searches for the element at index 3. 15 is our search element. So we'll get an output like this. Element 15 is found at index 3. So this will be the scenario where the search element is present in the list. Let us assume another case where the search element is not in the list. So considering the same list, let me search for 11. Linear search searches the elements in the sequential order of index: 7, 45, 33, 15, 27. No match has been found till the element at n-1th index. Here we have considered 5 elements. So n value is 5. n-1th index element is 4th index element, that is holding the value 27, which is also not our search element. So since no match has been found till now, the linear search will display an output like this: the element is not found. The highlighting fact about linear search is that there is no need for the inputs to be sorted. This is because the searching order in linear search is not based on the values, but rather the searching order is in the sequence of the index. Come, now let us code the logic in Python. Step number 1. Get the group of values as list from user. Here the name I have used for the list is numbers. I'm going to work only with integers. Let me get the list numbers from user in a single line using list comprehension. In case you're not able to understand this, I recommend you to go through the video link I have suggested in the description box. How to get list as an input from user in a single line using list comprehension. So now we have obtained the input list from user. Step number 2. Get the search element from user using input function. Since the input obtained would be in string, I'm converting it into an integer using int function. Enter the number to search. Next step number 3. Starting from index 0 till index n-1 for I in range of len of numbers. Check if the element at the index is the search element. If numbers of I equal to search. If yes, print the index. Print element found at index I and break out of the loop. Step number 4. Suppose after checking all the elements from index 0 to n-1, if no matching value is found, print the element is not found. element not found. So this else part of the for loop will get executed only if the break statement mentioned within the for loop has not been executed. That is, the for loop has continued its execution till the end without executing the break statement. That is, without finding a match. In that case, print element is not found. This is a code. Let us run our first case where the element is found. Let me give the same set of inputs that we saw in the example, separated by a comma. 7, 45, 33, 15, 27. Let me search 15 first. I've obtained the desired output, element found at index 3. Let us go to the next case where element is not found. So let me give the same set of input, 7, 45, 33, 15, 27. And let me search for 11, element not found. That's it. To encourage and support this work, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.